Exercise number 17 and 18 start. When I was in your shop on the parade, I saw a different type of tire tube. Full stop. I should like to buy 4 or 5 of them for my car. Full stop. I think you will enjoy our show if you can come to see it. Full stop. I wish you to make out a check for the boiler to get it off tonight by airmail. Full stop. Our failure to do what they wish may annoy them, but how can we do what they ask? Full stop. The village was a mile beyond the month of the full stop. Do you know when Roy and Dinah are going to Cuba? Question mark. I know the boy would like to go with them. Full stop. Why was the charge put on my March bill? Question mark. Do you know when the slip may ship may leave? Question mark. It will go out with the tide at 5. Full stop. How far do you have to go? Question mark. Do you wish to come with me? Question mark. You should write your name in ink at the bottom of the form. Full stop. Para. What do you think we ought to do? Question mark. I think you should give them a month in which to pay the bill. Full stop. If you wish to catch the boat, you will have to leave early. Full stop. I think you will have to buy a coil for your car, full stop. If you can arrive at 5, you will be in time for the talk, full stop. I have no wish to annoy you, but I think the that should be paid, full stop. I admire the type of youth who will do a job thoroughly, full stop, for a low outlay, comma, you can get a couch for the room, full stop, a cure for the lazy boy would be to give him a job which would keep him busy, full stop. Why have you allowed our bill to go unpaid, question mark? What can we do for your, question mark? You can read and write for an hour, full stop. How can we keep in touch with them when they go away, question mark? Why do you think it would be the wrong thing to do, question mark, and close.